Hey, it's Ian, and today I have a product that encourages kids to go outside and stay active, all while allowing them to express their creativity. This is the HD waterproof action camera. And now this is exactly like your GoPro because this will take high definition videos and photos. Now parents, you're gonna love the waterproof housing. Not only will this keep the camera dry, but it's also gonna keep it safe and protected from drops, shock, and all the rough housing kids love to do. Now what I love most about this is that this has some unique features that even my overpriced cameras don't have, including the flip lens. Kids absolutely love seeing themselves on the screen while recording, making family portraits on vacation so much fun. Now one thing that surprised me is that you get a free 32GB SD card included. Now what's gonna make this so great for your kids is that this is more than just a camera, because this comes included with 5 built-in games, including some classics and contemporary ones. Plus, this has the ability to act as an MP3 player. Not to mention this has a handful of filters that make filming and taking photos even more fun. Now you'd never expect a kid's action cam at this price to come with a full accessory kit, especially ones compatible with standard GoPro models, but this one does. You can find the full list of accessories and components on the site. Now if you have a kid that loves being creative and you really want them to get outside and be active, then look no further than the HD Waterproof Kids Action Cam. And at the price we're selling this for, you might want to grab a few before they're all sold out. So head on over to the site and grab yours today.